How are you doing, guys? Welcome back to the Bonneville cocktail collection. Now, I love beer, and you know I love cocktails, but beer cocktails have never really been my cup of tea. But you guys keep asking for this video, so we've searched high and low for 5 beer cocktails that are actually worth drinking. All right, guys, first up is a drink called Shaky Pete's Ginger Brew. This was invented by a guy called Shaky Pete, or Pete Geary, at Hawksmoor here in London. And we're gonna start with 60 mils of fresh lemon juice. And then 60 mils of ginger syrup. You can buy ginger syrup, but we make our own here. We just juice some ginger root in a centrifuge juicer, and then use equal parts of the juice and caster sugar. And then we've got 45 mils of London dry gin. And we're going to shake those. Okay, then we take a nice chilled beer glass. Strain those ingredients into there. And then we're going to top that with 120 mils approximately of beer, like English ale, so the flat, warm stuff. And that is Shaky Pete's Ginger Brew. All right, next up, guys, is a drink called a Mantini. This is obviously a twist on a martini, but we're going to substitute the vermouth for beer. I couldn't find much about the origins of this drink, but it's quite nice. So we're going to start with 15 mils of our ale, same as we used in the last drink, Shaky Pete's Ginger Brew, into a mixing glass, and then 70 mils of gin. And give that a stir. Quick check for dilution. Beautiful. That actually might be quite nice with some bitters. Maybe orange bitters might be nice in that. Let's give that a go. And garnish that with a suitably manly garnish. So here I've got an olive and some biltong, jerky, I suppose you'd call that in America. And there we go, Mantini. Next up is a drink called the Pale Charlie. This originates from London again at the SAVOY Hotel around 2012. And we're going to start with 20 mils of freshly squeezed pink grapefruit juice, 20 mils of fresh lime juice, and then 20 mils of sloe gin, and 20 mils of apricot brandy. Last but not least, we're going to go with 5 mils of absinthe. I'll shake those up. Strain that into a chilled highball. Top that with ice. And then we're going to top that with a pale ale. I'm using Goose IPA from Goose Island. Nice and strong. Slowly top that up. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to garnish that with a grapefruit zest. And that's the Pale Charlie. All right, next up, guys, is a drink called the Beauvoir. This is was invented by a mate of mine, actually, called Andrea Montague, back in 2013. She was head bartender at a bar called Calucale in Shoreditch, and we're going to start with 30 mils of straight rye whiskey, 20 mils of hazelnut liqueur, 50 mils of fresh lime juice, a dash of whiskey barrel aged bitters. Andrew's recipe calls for a spoon of brown sugar. We're just going to use some brown sugar syrup that we made, so we do a spoon and a bit of that. And obviously we need some beer. So this recipe calls for a smoked porter. Porter is a little bit like a stout, I suppose, for a dark beer. Andrew used one from a brewery called Beavertown, which incidentally is in an area of London called the Beauvoir, which is where this drink's get its name from. Okay, so we're going to shake that up. We're going to fine strain that into a chilled cocktail glass. And garnish that with a big orange zest. And that is a Beauvoir. Last but not least, we have got a cocktail called the Weissen Sour. We're going to start off with a spoon of English orange marmalade. And to that we're going to add 60 mils of bourbon, 25 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice, dash of orange bitters. We've got Gary Regan's orange bitters there. We'll give that a mix, just to dissolve the marmalade. Okay, I'm going to shake that up. And we'll strain that into chilled highball. Top with ice. And as you might guess from the name of the drink, the Weissen beer. So we're going to top that with a wheat beer. And we're going to garnish that with a nice big wedge of lemon. And that is the Weissen Sour. So there you go, guys, 5 beer cocktails for you to have a go at. I'll be really interested to know what you think of those, so do let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time. Last but not least, we have... Why? Now, I love beer, and you know I love cocktails, but beer cocktails have never really floated my boat. Never really floated my boat. But beer cocktails is something that's never really worked for me. Not my cup of tea. And we'll garnish that with a... But generally, beer cocktails are quite shit. If I'm acting weird though, tell me. Last but not least, a beer cocktail. No, that's totally different energy. Ready? Yeah. Fine straight. There you go, guys. How did I say it? I said beer cocktails quite a few times. And we're going to fine strain that into our chilled. Okay, ready? Yep.